All right, so I hope you guys tried your best to solve the assignment, not the assignment, but the mini project. And yeah, if you're able to do it, great. If you're somewhere in the middle, stuck somewhere, don't worry, we're gonna solve it together by using ChatGPT, by the way. So yeah, let's go to ChatGPT straightforwardly. I'm not gonna write solution from my end, line by line, but we'll get the solution from ChatGPT and then we will discuss the solution. Okay, so we'll say write Python code to I'll paste the whole text that we had over there. Let me modify it a little bit to, let's say, create a small game called guess the number. Okay, with the following instructions. Okay, so here we are saying that original number is 45, then take input from the user. Print if entered number is greater or smaller or equal, right? If entered number is not same, then then again ask for the number. If entered number is same, then user wins and code exits. Okay, and finally user can only guess a number, guess the number for 10 times. Also print every time that how many tries are done, right? So let's use our prompt as it is. Let me write it in one line and let's go. Let's see what we will get. So here is the Python code. Cool. So starting from the top, it says original number is 45, right? That we made it 45. We can change it as well according to our need. Then it also mentions the maximum tries are 10. Okay. Now here the game begins. Actually, I think we should copy this code. We should go to our notebook. We should paste it over here. And now here, let us discuss the code. Okay. Although the comments of the code are also available to know what is going on. And we can also scroll down to see how it works as well. But let's discuss it over here. So we have an original number, which is 45. We have maximum tries, which are 10. Okay. So two variables are initialized. Then there is a for loop. This for loop might be a little bit annoying for you, but let me translate it. So first of all, it says for attempt is the controlling variable. How many attempts are we attempting, right? How many chances are we availing? So attempt is the controlling variable. In range is the function that will manage the whole loop. So range is starting from 1, right? And it is ending on what? Here we don't have a number, we have an expression. So expression says maximum tries, which is 10, plus 1, which is 11. Remember, it starts from this number, but it ends before this number. If you remember our code over here, it starts from 0, but it ends at 9 before 10. Why? Because we have less than condition over here. Okay, so that is why we are incrementing 1 into it so that it goes until proper 10 tries, right? So here we have the controlling loop. Cool. Then what we are doing, we are saying user guess. So user is inputting a number and we are converting it to integer. And here we are saying, hey, attempt number this. Here we are printing that for the first time it will be 1. So attempt 1, enter your number, enter your guess. Then attempt 2, enter your guess, and so on and so forth, right? So we are taking input from the user, converting it to integers, and then we are checking it out. Okay, so if user's guess is greater than the original number, so if it is 45, user says it is 90. So this will be the case. It will say your guess is greater than the original number, right? Otherwise, if user says 10, then this is the case. And it will say your entered number is smaller than the original number, right? Otherwise, else, what is else? if it is not greater than the original number, if it is not smaller than the original number, then there is only one condition left, which is it is equal to the original number. And if it is equal to the original number, then it says, congratulations, you guessed the number correctly. And once this is achieved, it is saying break. Remember break? It will ignore everything and it will halt the whole flow of the loop. And that is what we want. We want to exit the program on two conditions. Either user wins and guess the original number, or user exhausts all 10 attempts, right? So this is one condition where user wins. Now, how user loses? Here we have a variable that calculates how many tries are left. How do we calculate it? It says maximum tries, which is 10. So 10 minus attempt. So attempt is the number which will be incremented after every iteration of the loop. First of all, it is going to be 1. So 10 minus 1, tries left will be 9. So it will say, okay, if number of tries that are left is greater than 0, if they are not 0, then we only have to print how many tries are left. Okay, 9 tries are left. Next time, attempt is going to be 2. So 10 minus 2 is going to 8. So 8 is greater than 0, yes. So it will print out tries left colon 8. Then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When attempt will become 10, max tries is also 10. So 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Is 0 greater than 0? No. It will become false. This will be ignored. It will come to the else part and it will say, sorry, you have used all your tries and the game is over. Now the beauty is, if you want to change the number of attempts, you only have to make change over here. Instead of 10, you can make it 5. So I'm going to make it 5 so that we can run it quickly. So running it, so it says attempt 1, enter your number. Let's say my number is 90, which is greater than 45, right? It says your guess is greater than original number. Okay, I'll say 10, and it also says there are only 4 tries left. Okay, I'll say 10. So it says your guess is smaller than the original number, right? Now I'll guess the correct number, 45. It says, congratulations, you guessed the number correctly, right? Let's play it again and now try to lose the game. Okay, so let's say I enter 12. It says your guess is smaller than the original number. Okay, fine. I enter 44. It says your guess is smaller than the original number and 3 tries are left. 66, your guess is greater than the original number. Only 2 tries are left. 99, it says your guess is again greater than, and tries left is 1, right? Which is going to be my last try. So I'll say, let's say 50. Hit enter. It says, sorry, you have used all your tries and the game is over, right? So yeah, this is the solution of the game that is called Guess the Number. If you were stuck anywhere, I hope now you are able to find the problem where you were stuck, right? And yeah, again, ChatGPT rocks. It provided us exactly, not exactly, but it provides us perfect solution, right? So yeah, having said that, we are done with if-else conditions. We are done with while loop. We are done with introduction of for loop, but details of for loop are left, which are coming in next module where we are talking about data structures. We have also talked about only the introduction of strings. That is also left, and that is also coming in next module. So all the things that we were leaving so far are coming in next module. I'll see you there.